Let's check if you can play Monster Hunter Wilds offline. So first of all, as you can see right here in the bottom right corner, I have no internet access. And then if I hit play on the game, let's see if we can actually manage to play it. So as you can see right here, we have the error unable to connect to the server, and if we close it, the game runs normally. But let's see if we can actually start the game with my character. And right here we can actually play it, so that confirms that you can play this game without any internet connection. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching.